In order for testing services to proctor any accommodated exam for your course, you'll need to complete a Testing Services Proctoring Agreement to provide details about your exams. In the Home box, click Alternative Testing. Click Testing Services Proctoring Agreement from the top menu to get started. Use the yellow Navigate to drop-down menu to select courses without Testing Services Proctoring Agreement. Click Go. Scroll to the course you're completing the proctoring agreement for and click Specify Testing Services Proctoring Agreement. If you've already submitted one, you can click View/Modify Testing Services Proctoring Agreement to make changes. In the Exam Management Method drop-down menu, choose the option that best fits you. I will proctor my own exams indicates you will provide test accommodations for all of your students. My class has no exam means that your course has no exams this quarter. Choose Testing Services will proctor exams if any student with test accommodations will have exams proctored at Testing Services. In the Confirm Task drop-down menu, click Confirm to proceed, and then submit your selection. On this page, you'll provide general exam administration information. Please read the course information box before continuing. First, you must add a phone number in the contact information box. Testing Services may use this number to call you about student exam appointment details or your exam file. For question 1, check all aids students are allowed to use during the exam. For question 2, answer yes if all your exams allow the same aids. Click No if different aids are allowed for different exams, and provide details in the additional comment box. For example, you may allow a single-sided note sheet for a midterm exam, but not for a quiz. For question 3, indicate how you want your students' completed exams returned to you. For question 4, provide the best contact method for Testing Services to reach you or your teaching team if a student has a question while testing. To move on, click Submit and Continue to specify exam dates. In the exam detail box, indicate scheduling information for each quiz, midterm, and final exam that Testing Services will proctor. Start with your first exam and choose the appropriate type from the dropdown. In the Approval Method drop-down menu, choose the option that best reflects how you'd like to review students' exam appointment requests. If you choose Approve if scheduled on the specified date and time, requests will be flagged for your review if the date and time do not match exactly. Approve if scheduled on the specified date will flag any exam appointment request outside of the specified date. If you have a specific window of time that day in which students may test, you can provide those details in the Additional Note for Staff box, and Testing Services will ensure that student appointments line up. If you choose Approve if scheduled on any date, all exam appointment requests will be accepted. You can still provide specific details in the Additional Note for Staff box if you wish. Next, enter the date and time of your test. Enter the length of your exam in minutes without extended time accommodations. For example, if the standard time of your exam is 2 hours, you'll type 120 in the box. Make sure to put any notes about appointment approval in the Additional Note for Staff box. If your exam is ready, you can upload it now. If not, you can upload it later. Click Save Exam Date to confirm the information. Your exam is successfully saved and is listed under List Exam Dates. Make sure to repeat this process for all of your exams in each course. As a reminder, please complete Testing Services proctoring agreements with all exam dates for your course as early in the quarter as possible. You'll then need to tell all students with test accommodations that they must schedule an exam appointment in the ANU student portal at least 1 week before the exam. Please reach out to Testing Services with any questions or for additional support with the faculty portal by emailing testing@northwestern.edu or calling 847-467-4699.